You had 1.75 ounces of food. Do you feel your belly? What more do you want?
You took 4 fish from them. You snuck in and ate them like a fat girl.
Stella, what are you doing? You can't have that. That's Daddy's food.
3, 2, 1. Who wins? Oh.
Bean. Oh my god, you're so funny.
Gosh. Hey, boys.
You need to fuck.
What's the point crying?
Oh my god!
Don't even know what that is. Where are you trying to